Matipung Women Industrial Development Cooperative Society. Pinang an aningkan pen sangpi sabina teronpi khai kaching hon lapen pindeng sumpot kaching hon parpik ajoyne alangli arloso pimar atum abhan kipir ketha lapen keroy asai pinang an atum abhan kethan pon lapen kerapon abang phile lapen Kacharli dun abang phi atum abhan labang so asai hem along si kethan padopon. Alangli ke kipir ketha anathule ke ponchot tapuson takali alangli ke cek ajin takpen ibu kile lapen Tempi bel kisoi kiret anathuta rat abhan kethan pon lapen rat atum cita alli kilongdun tapusonta do Handloom, craft, jewelry, all kinds of material is available here. Like Karbi traditional dress, Kashmiri traditional dress, Boro traditional dress, etc. and making with bamboo like hoton, belen, inkrum, intong, etc. and making wood like sero, long, chubak, jambliathon, etc. Jewelry like Jansai, Roy, Leg, etc. for boys and girls. So you can visit inside the Arboretum Craft Center, Matipung, Tifu, Karbi Anlong. Thank you.